What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Dig or Die video. My name's Hayden, and today we're gonna work on this pond that we started last week. I came in here last week with the skid steer, started cleaning up the slopes. The bottom was too wet to get in. Then we got the excavator here, I mucked everything out, threw it back here, and then after that got on the skid steer, graded the whole bottom, got everything, got the slopes on grade and everything. It's pretty good transformation on this one from what it was to what it is right now. And then yesterday got in the excavator, came and dug this pit for the sand filter, cut out for the riprap apron in front of the pipe, and I cut out for the riprap 4-bay berm. So we got 3 loads of riprap coming. I think it'll be enough. If it's not, we can get more. We'll have a truck here, but I'm gonna put the riprap in front of the pipe, and then there will be, I haven't looked at the plan yet, but it's usually a 2-foot tall berm. It's like 8 foot wide at the bottom, 2 foot wide at the top. It's 2 foot tall that will run in between those 2 stakes right there. Of course, the street washer truck is up the street. That's the worst part about these ponds. Either people irrigate all the time and the water constantly runs in, or they wash the streets and the water runs in. But for right now, me and my good buddy Round Point Shovel are I'm gonna dig this out real quick. And just like that, I told you, here comes the street washer. Appreciate it, buddy. Street's not even dirty, but that's fine. You know, it's nothing new. Of course, I'm gonna get that bit of mud out with the excavator when I go to put the riprap in. So yeah, here comes the riprap right now. What's up, guys? We got finished the other day and I got cleaned up. I had to go to another job, so didn't get time to put stone out, but I'm going to take some of that wash stone and put it on the other side of that berm And then after that, I'm going to get my laser out and shoot this spillway, make sure it's on grade, and if it is, I'll take the rest of that riprap over there and just kind of dress up the edges and stuff. So I'll set y'all up here. Now we're installing our sand filter. We'll start by putting filter fabric in it, as you can see here. And then after that, we'll put our pipe in. It's 6-inch Schedule 40 PVC. It is perforated, so that means it has holes in it, of course, to little, I think they're 1/2-inch holes to let the water in, and it's connected to this box. And then after that, we'll put a foot of stone in the filter, foot of 57 wash stone in the filter, and then get that all nice and graded. Put another layer of filter fabric on it, and then we'll put our washed concrete sand on top of that. And that's pretty much all this filter is made of. After that, a crew will come and sod the whole pond, and just sod over the filter as well, and it'll be done. Alrighty guys, so that's it for this one. I've got to clean this up and spread out that sand over there, but the filter's done, and I'm going to slick up real quick and we'll be on to the next one. The sod guys should be here tomorrow, and I'll see y'all next week. God bless you. Jesus loves you. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, guys. It means a lot. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Jesus loves you, and I do too. Y'all have a blessed day.